Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi SQ2 Black Edition S-Tronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5V twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. And if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Sonos sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the climate control system so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 12-volt charging point, 2 handy cup holders, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This brand new Audi SQ2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.